Alright, welcome back to another video, guys. Today we are doing the Shrouded Fable ETB battle. For some reason, Pokemon decided to wait to send them out. So we're going to do it now. Obviously, you can see my lovely fiance here. I'll let you pick up. It's up to you. I don't care. Okay. It's not a big deal.
Okay.
Which one do you want?
This one.
All right.
I got the nails. I don't need some scissors. I got it. But that's sharp. Oh, you're quick.
He is well. So obviously you guys know there are 9 packs that comes with. I got the promo card there. Code card. And then the sleeves that comes with as well. Alright.
Nice.
You can just leave all that in there.
Okay.
Oh, you need all this.
Oh, that's...
Yeah.
Okay, I see.
Throw all this in there.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Woo!
Alright.
Let's do it.
You're up first.
Okay.
You can put your hand around.
I remember. Oh gosh. Right?
Yep.
We have to twist it.
Yep.
You have to.
Nope.
Nope. Okay.
Just go straight. Axu. Sylvia.
Oh,
Well, you're already showing.
I see this.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, come on. You can. We're doing just me or
3.
Oh, 3. Okay. Okay, this is the one. I know it. Okay. Oh, gee. Oh my goodness, Evie. Love it. Can I have that?
You can have whatever you want.
It's money. Oh. Ooh.
I swear
Yo.
you're gonna end up beating me again.
We'll see. Okay, one more.
One more.
Whoops. Whoops, sorry.
You already caught the Pokemon. You don't need to throw another ball at it.
Love you. Okay.
Power Glass.
Oh, I saw something.
What did you see?
I don't know. I thought I did.
I was like, what did you see? There wasn't anything there.
I legit thought there was. Let's see, Daniel.
Eevee.
Oh, it's going to be good.
Golbat. Power Glass. Crobat.
Oh.
Hypno. And Tapu Boo.
I like the moth. Oh, ours is pretty.
Iron Moth.
Yeah.
We got Dust Ball. Cufant. Inky. Joltik. Come on. Come on, Jasmine. Slitherwind. Dust Ball.
Oh, not looking too good. I mean, that one's nice.
Trash talking me already. I love you too. I love you too. Alright, come on. Absol. Seadra. Batchix. Hypno. Come on now. Yveltal. Duskull. Absol.
Oh!
The Monkey Dory full art.
Wow. Very, very cool. Okay, let's all.
Hold on, let me. There.
Let's go.
For some reason, it feels like the camera angle's off. I don't know. Maybe it's just me.
Okay.
Scarlet.
I feel like
Horsey.
it's
Eventually. Come on. Nothing.
nada.
Nada.
Nada. That's okay. I still have more. So,
You indeed do have more. Fly away.
Yep.
Code card.
Okay.
Just waiting for you to talk and you don't. You nervous?
Yeah.
Why are you nervous?
Because you can't win.
Because I can't wait.
Whoops. Yeah.
Alright, last pack.
Last of these three.
Yeah. Last pack.
Okay. Okay.
Get it out of here.
Eat it.
Sneasel. It's Aurora. Q-Fint. Come on. Nada.
What is happening over here?
That's what happens when you talk a bunch of trash. Just smile. Alright. Cassiopeia. I feel it. Drowsy. Horsey. For some reason, I feel like the angle is really off right now. Sylvia. Yveltal. Come on. Actress. This is why this is the hardest Scarlet and Violet set out there. The hardest Scarlet and Violet set out there. Ah, come on. Howdoom. Stuffle. Joltik. I'm on Genesect. Sylvie. Varoom. Aurora. Still nothing.
Oh, goodness sake.
Right.
You got this.
Thanks, babe. Thanks. It's all that mind trickery. Trying to give me false hope so she can beat me. Datrix, Absol, Power Glass, Genesect. Come on. Colors.
Oh, that's a cool one. That's cool.
Love it.
I love it
Love
too. That's very cool. That's really
I
pretty.
think that puts me in the lead.
For now. For now.
Monkey Dory.
For now.
Alright, last 3 packs.
Yep. Come on. I got one card so far.
Not gonna lie, I do kind of like that Monkey Dory card.
Very nice.
Alright, what do we got here? Drowsy. Absol. Iron. Persian. Monkey Dory EX. It's a hit. It's still a hit. Alright.
Look at the little star glitters. Ta-da!
You're gonna need another good pull here.
I got it.
Oh, so you only got 2 packs then.
Well, all you need is 1 pack. I've proven that.
That is true words. Just call Axu. Come on. Cassiopeia. Please be the
Oh my gosh, I will just be losing it.
Alright, last pack magic.
Let's go. It's in this one. Oh my gosh, it has to be.
Oh.
Yeah, it is. Oh, look how throw that was.
Datrix. Duskull. Come on. Stuffle. Stuffle, yes.
Blech.
Oh no.
Oh my gosh, what?
Oh no.
No. It's no.
Alright, last 3.
Oh, dang. I did lost.
Fracture. Toxicroak.
Oh, that's so cute.
Idiot. Weevil. Cresselia. Axu. Ooh. Don't care about that card anyways. Oops. I'm sorry.
Energy.
My bad. We need new chairs. Feel weird.
Mine's fine.
Yeah, yours is the comfortable one. Fraction, Persian, Crobat. Come on. Weavile, Dusknoir, Crobat.
Oh
Kendra
my
EX.
gosh. Whooped me.
Oh, we know.
Just whooped me.
Oh, we know.
Wow.
You want to open up the last one?
No, I do not. This is yours.
Oh.
I'm not pouting.
Alright, last pack magic. Come on. The brightness is really bad on there. That's all right. Vroom, Zubat, Houndour, Inkay. Come on. Crobat.
Oh my gosh, come
Jenny Secret. Genesect. And a Zoroark.
on. Okay, well, there you have it, folks.
She's so mad.
We're done. Closing up for the night.
That's not bad. This is why I said this is the hardest set of Scarlet and Violet right now. We got the Kendra EX, Fezadipity, or it's I don't know, Fezan a pity, one of the two. Monkey Dory, Percherunt. Pretty sure that's still a decent card though, value wise. Till next time.